Nutribullet Personal Blender is designed for handling smoothies, drinks, sauces, or chopping tasks with one motor base. The buying question is whether its exact configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, the original Nutribullet has everything you need to take that first step toward a healthier lifestyle. This matters most when evaluating the listed motor, container, blade, and preset arrangement. It also states, effortlessly blend fruits, vegetables, liquids, and so much more into nutritious smoothies, simply and deliciously delivering key nutrients to your body. Use that detail to judge whether the included capacity matches normal batch sizes, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, check dishwasher guidance, blade handling, cabinet clearance, and how many pieces need cleaning. Another supported detail is 600 watts of power in the original Nutribullet blender turns anything from strawberries to spinach into smooth, sippable nutrition. Confirm the exact dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility before ordering. The main limitation is that high-power blenders can be loud, and a large pitcher is less convenient for small servings or storage. Buyers making mostly single portions may prefer a compact personal blender. Overall, Nutribullet Personal Blender best fits shoppers whose priority is handling smoothies, drinks, sauces, or chopping tasks with one motor base, and whose setup matches the supported facts. Buyers making mostly single portions may prefer a compact personal blender.